This is our first grand fashion show. Yeah. Manok Jewelry. So by next year, probably, baka i-continue namin to. So every year, we'll be having our fashion show to showcase all our new designs. For this year, itong fashion show natin na to is will cater all the designs na nilabas natin for 2025. At the same time, for our next project na design for 2026.
So nakikita namin ang iyong part of the ocean. Ano ba totoo ba yun? Inspired nga doon? Or yun yung nawawala part of the ocean?
Ano sa tingin nyo?
Ano yung nawawala?
No, this is, etong design na to is created by my business partner, one of our factory. Ginawa talaga nito exclusively for me because it's one full Tanzanite. It's not natural. Actually, this is baliktaran. You can wear the back part. So it's up to you kung ano mo siya, kung paano mo siya susuot. And is this something na pwede na i-express? For example, yeah, it's actually Tanzanite. I believe Tanzanite is one of the expensive gemstones. There are many Tanzanites that are natural. Mas expensive pa kaysa diet. Like Paraiba. It depends there. If it's natural.
Is this something we can request sa Manong?
Yes, we have also. Actually, the
available
price,
siya.
yeah. But Tanzanite is not always available. It depends kasi sa source yan actually. Also, same ng Paraiba. Pero may parating akong Paraiba.
Pero parating na.
Yes, parating na because so many customers.
Sabi na ba nag-go?
Gano'n kahirap mag-prepare?
It's very hard actually. It's very hard.
At congrats, paano hirap kung doon para kasi mag-source?
Ganun talaga yung mga. We can source everything. All kinds of gemstones na kailangan niyo. We can get it.
Can you share sa galing?
Wow, wala pa.
Wala pa.
Secret.
Secret.
Yes, secret. Actually, yung Paraiba na yun, 1 year ko siya sinusource. So, last 2 weeks ago, nakuha ko pa lang din yung pinaka-sample. So, probably I can produce that by next year.
So, kailangan mag-patience.
Yes, stones muna kasi yun eh. So, from the stones, we'll create that one into ring, into earrings, the necklaces. So for now, I got my stones. So yun, imamount namin yun sa iba-ibang klase ng jewelry. So na-source ko na yung ano.
One year yung hinahanap.
Only. Kasi hindi siya ganun kasimple. It's very, very hard.
Madami mga celebrities na ito ay nararampa. Personal choice nila sila. Paano sila yung napili mo? Showcase the jewelry.
Personal choice din actually. Kasi sila yung mga, lahat sila consistent. Sila din yung mga pumili sa amin. So I don't want to get celebrities na hindi naman talaga nakapagpangkilig nung gaya sa amin. So next time probably, kung sino yung mga celebrity talagang nakaranas na nung aming mga lakas, sila pa yung kukunin namin kasi they can testify na ito yung Madok jewelry. Hindi pa ako kumukuha ng na hindi pa talaga nakaka-experience.
So, yung mga suot na nila, sponsor or business sa
yung soap po na yan, kami na po yung nag-provide din. Because those designs, yung iba po doon is the design from our 2025. And then some naman, yeah, for 2026 namin.
Is this also a parang Thanksgiving event in a way?
Yes, another one also, yeah, speaking din sa mga celebrity na nagtitiwala po sa amin.
Thank you, madam. Congrats.